May ni somni pariat sang ni somni pargomani hey breaking news a omtlet maya chu chu nge kan ti chuanin Iran lampang hian in United States is drawn in an ka pa chu United States in phuba la ti mayang chu Iran in phuba lo la le ve le ani a boy kha khop mai he thi le breaking news a he video hian in kan ron ri kan ron soi zawanga chumi ma chuanin Mizo thalai te ta na tangkai tur thil kan play lokang
Mizoram Youth Commission Government of Mizoram le ICFA University Mizoram tangkop chuan tun thani somni pakwa hian ICFA University Mizoram campus Durtlang Norta job fair bot sele dona Mizoram chung le pon atangin na latur company sang thatem tak an lokal le dona ni apuna hian nalak recruitment le ani dona phailam company chen khat zinga online interview le test report sector anom bokang kumsang ni le somni pangangan hlo tling taka he ferry lo nei ani towa Mizo thalai na zonglai sang chuang localin mi za chuangin na lo hu phato bokani program hon na hi puma samzol ralte chairman of Mizoram Youth Commission in aneinga sofa dar college and vetangin registration hi ti tan the aniang job fair a hen na zonglai Paul song pati pas chin song te chukan som vek chewa biodata marksheet le certificate te ken turani e kana tu nei rem chang lo de tan po ICFA University bas mangin on kal the anianga jingdare le chan vea vaiva kon sikul pi kon le zembok venga tangin anon chuak tanang cheng du te tan an hoya phone number tarla na te hen zofia thereng kan ni e
yes khakhani Mizo thalai te ta na tangkai tur de umai ole reaction ang
Reuters news agency says the US has launched new self-defense strikes on
Reuters lampang in heti la hi breaking news hen ron puanga an mani website ka va en vedo na maro chu mi Reuters hi channel hi subscribe alo nga ya poisa pek te khalo ngai ni de uhana la kha wa khanin a website tang han riak mai kan tumna a thei chi lo chu wan son hemi Sky News Australia tang hianin akim changjok in kan han riak don ani
Iran. Let's go to our Washington correspondent Jonathan Kersley at the White House. Jono.
Hepa hi Sky News Australia White House an correspondent nei ani ya. Hepa hi thila shatiang.
What's the latest from the Trump administration on this?
Well, interestingly, Kieran, I can bring you a development. Sky News has spoken with a US official on the condition of anonymity and be able to discuss elements of the strikes. And yes, they have confirmed that US Central Command forces have targeted drones and drone launch sites in the Bandar Abbas port city of Iran.
Bandar Abbas. Kopoi Iran amia hian. Heta chang hian Iran lampang hianin United States te hi drone in a loka pa ti chuan drone ti an ka hnuak khanin ka chua drone dang kha ka chua te khan lo tum le ani khatianga an lo in buat sai mek lai khan United States lampang te chon hetiang hianin an vabe ti United States lampang te hian official te an confirm to Central Command Middle East lam mi te pon an confirm to ani chu wan chuanin heti lai thil thing tak tak ani a breaking news ang rengkhop maya heti lai hi apoi mo e na san chu tuna United States le Iran te hian deal siam an tum kan ria imbiang po kalmek hetiang ani lai hian in Iran hian hetiang hian in an drone mangin US an lo be ya drone mangin US an lo be ya ti chuanin United States hian hetiang hian in an mani in Vietnam an lo be le tangai ta ni
those strikes taking place around about 1:30 in the morning local a couple of hours ago now
heti la hi zing dar khat le achen vevel Iran sana zing dar khat le chan vevel a thleng ania helai ya atak zo ka hi hi Strait of Hormuz khan ye chon avara hi helai hi le khomol khani ta chon helai hi longchol na mun poimo tak ani merani Bandar Abbas Iranami himo heta chang hianin drone an kap chuak ani
but insisting that these are very much self-defensive in nature very
US lampang te chon in hethil an soingun khop maya hethil hi in ka hai kan bo chiati na lamani lo kemani US kan sipai te kan long te kan in do long te kemani kan in venana hetianga Iran hi vabe kan ni anti vetlet ani US lampang chuan
similar to the strikes that took place a matter of a couple of days ago and same sort of region too. This is what the US official has told me. They say today US Central Command forces shot
Iran drone pali one-way attack drones Iran drone pali one-way attack omje chu te khanin he drone hian bom apa nge pai lo ro chu shelo maro chu drone kap chuak chiang ani United States lampang hi an ron test du nge du lo shalo Iran lampang hi mo engril rupu nge hetiang drone hi an ron ka chu avere matang ti ka shelo maro chu Iran lampang hi United States hi drone mangin an be ya
down 4 Iranian one-way attack drones that posed threat around the Strait of Hormuz. US forces also struck an Iranian ground control
station drone an ron ka chua le na tur drone palin ron kap chok ani ti chuanin drone pangana kap chuak tura an hanin buat sai lai vel khan hetiang hianin United States lampang hianin Bandar Abbas an ground control station hi an vakap ta ani he thila hi in ka hai kan bo chian na lampang ni lova ke mani kan in vena tura thana thilti kan ni an tiani
in Bandar Abbas that was about to launch a fifth drone. These actions were measured, purely defensive, and intended to maintain the ceasefire. So once again, you can see the Trump administration, a US official, pointedly making the case that these are self-defensive strikes.
hetianga United States ten ke mani in venan self defense strike hi emai nge hetiang thuma la hi anron soinon na chan kan ti chon tu na hianin ka haim puanga deal siam an tum mek ti kan ria khatiang nilawa deal siam na ti boy theizo United States ache anga khovelina riat kha United States lampang te po hianin an du lawani om jebra chuanin United States te hianin khovel ma hianin an mani reputation khovel ma an London min an lo ngai dan tur an lo soi dan tur kha khatiang kha an veng ve pa rengani ti chuan Iran lampang hianin phuban la veng ha lo Iran hianin phuban la veng halani
in order to be in the clear violating the ceasefire. All of this, Kieran, coming on the day that President Trump had indicated he was once again open to relaunching military action against Iran if a deal can't be struck. It was just a matter of days ago, over the course of the weekend, the President
nirelo te kalta khan Trump chuanin Iran nen deal kan siam theilawani chuanin sipai chakna manga be pui han thlak non le te po hi aki chon ka in huam renga ni amaro chu athaber le kan du dan chu tenga in biak rema deal siam the hi athaber amaro chu khatinga theilawani chuan Iran hi sipai chakna manga han be le hi kan thre lawani atiani amaro chu Iran state media te chuanin hey anron puanga Iran hianin phuba ala ve ha lani United States Air Base khoyami nge Iran hianin abei tuna kan react nang
Indeed, and James, we've got breaking news. Iran reportedly attempting to attack a US airbase after those American strikes we mentioned. Iranian state media, this is news just to hand, reporting the country's Revolutionary Guards launched the strike at 5 a.m. local time.
Nizan dar khat timela zing dar khat le achan veya United States te chonin Iran khan beita ti chonin Iran sipai te hianin zing dar nga teng hianin phubalak tumin be pui hian thak ve ngal ti hian news report han ron report ani om sia chonin zing dar khat le chan ve te khan United States sipai te an che zing dar nga Iran ten phuban la ve ngal Iran sipai te hi zing dar khat le chan ve thang khanin an muto don lo din a yo an boy view ing ting e phuba kan la kan khomi khonge kan beyang kho United States Air Base bernge kan beyang khoi ramami nge kan beyang ti kha an meeting ko langa ha mutchun khamlo ve view mai the ni hetinga video kan ri ka in lo en light po hi no
Didn't specify where the base is. Reports it is in Kuwait. Just in terms of the politics in the United States, James, does this all favour J.D. Vance the longer it goes on, but given Vance had argued against going into Iran?
No, I actually think that this
hemi hi Iran lampang hian state media na soidan chuanin United States te hi hian in air base mun tam taka an neya chung air base mun tam tak an nei zinga pakhat chu Kuwait rama hen mani Kuwait rama mi mo so chuanin Kuwait rama mi hi Iran te hian an beiti report a omani eng ramami po base Iran hin phuba an la ka hi United States te chuanin phuba an lak let vele du mayarin oma tin Kuwait an air defense system te po hianin Iranian drone lo kap chuak emo missile lo kap chuak te po ni sen lo intercept vele ngerin oma hei tu video dot le chiang zokin kanon react thei tur angai la amaro chu tuna kan hriat thei china chuan zingdar khat le chan veya United States hian Iran drone pali akap thla a ti chuan Iran hian drone pangana ka chu atumin ain buat sai meka Bandar Abbas atangin chutian in buat sai mek lai chuanin United States te hianin khami drone pangana ron ka chu an tum meka kha an vakap cheta ni vakap dar ta ni ti chuan hunan kal dewa zingdar nga vela Iran sipai te hian tiang hianin phuba lak tumin an han che chuak ve ta a he thili ni an tir chu Iran le US tunan in dormeka Iran IO te hian hey deal kan siam thei mai thei ani tiangzon te khan United States se kha basic na te khan siam ve do da ni amero chu Iran IO a kal te khan khatianga thatak taka Iran an lo var represent a thatak taka trom ka man nei lai kham an Iran supreme leader ber ero chuan Middle East hian in United States te tan hun him hom to lawang tiang zong te khanin trongkam te kha lo ne thu te kha lo soi le bokani chu wang chuan deal siaman tuma hetiang hian in an ram ho tu pa bera tong chuak le box sia hetiang ani he chuan in deal te po hian siam hlot ling theidon emon le ti te chu ngai tu ana chuanin a om ani ole kha ti zong kha tu tum news atana kan re kan han soi zau thei chuani video la ga in mule theu don ne